Hey guys, I'm Alex Lowe's from the Kawasaki racing team in World Superbikes. My season so far in World Superbikes has been, I would say from a riding point of view, not too bad. We've been a little bit unlucky, had a couple of mechanical problems in Assen, which we lost a few points, but apart from that, I've been challenging for the top 5 or 6 every race. I've been lacking a few tenths just to make the step to be on the podium, but it's been a consistent start. After last year where I struggled with injuries, I'm feeling quite good. I'm enjoying riding the bike, and I'm very optimistic for the rest of this season. My hopes and targets for the rest of the World Superbike season are to be on the podium as much as possible. I need to get back to winning some races. It's been too long for that. And yeah, every weekend, all the different tracks we've got coming up, the target is to be on the podium. And there's a little bit of a breakaway, the first 3 guys in World Superbikes, and I want to be, in terms of the championship anyway, that next guy, and mixing it with them, the front 3 as much as possible. So it's yeah, decent targets, but I'm looking forward to it. Yeah, so this year and last year I've done a little bit of television work with BT Sport for the MotoGP. I do enjoy it, to be honest. It's good because my brother's there racing in Moto2, so I get to spend some time with him and see how he's getting on. And also, yeah, do some analysis and I enjoy trying to put my, let's say, the feelings I have on the bike across to the guys and everybody at home watching on television, because obviously it's always different on this side of the fence. So I enjoy trying to put some of the feelings across, because I think that's what people want to hear, and yeah, it's good fun. Yeah, obviously the two babies at home now. It's been a long winter, but obviously very exciting. It's such a privilege to have 2 twin daughters now. Me and my wife Karine, we've been busy, but the balance between it, I feel like I've managed quite well. Let's say when you don't get enough sleep, or the hard work, if you want to call it hard work, it's easily the positives and the feeling of seeing them grow up and all the nice emotions easily outweigh the difficulties. So I see it as motivation. I want to do my best for the girls. Obviously, I'll try and do my best anyway, but I've enjoyed it, to be honest, a lot more than I expected. I thought while I was racing it, to manage my career and the girls might be tough, but it's been great, and I'm really enjoying it.